We are going to take a trot into the woods to start cutting down some trees. I've got a bunch of trees out here that are going to die anyway. So may as well cut them down now and make really good use of them. They, good gosh. That's how deep it is. Let me get this over here. Anyhow. Whoa, sorry. So the trees I'm going to be cutting on are black ash. They are being destroyed by, I think it's called the emerald ash borer or emerald ash beetle. Anyhow, there's a lot of them growing out here, thousands of them. They're either going to die from the beetle, or I can cut them down and make use of them. I know they can be used as firewood. I don't know what else I would use them for. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I haven't filmed anything in a while. Not that I'm special. Yeah. Just been having a rough go with this whole bullcrap COVID thing. And I guess my circumstances are unique to me and unique to my profession. But basically we're being coerced. And, basically I'm being threatened that if I don't get this vaccine, that's not really a vaccine, that doesn't actually work. And don't get me wrong, it may have its merits for some, but it's pointless for me to take. It's pointless for probably millions of people to take. But it doesn't work. And my job, my livelihood, my ability to provide for my family, something I've worked really hard for, is being threatened. And I don't take that lightly. And so once again, there's a feeling inside of me that has grown again. Just when things are kind of going smoothly, I felt good. But this is happening now. So, anyhow, enough of that. That's not what this is about. Today, we're out here gonna cut down some trees that need to be cut down. Well, that one. I'm trying to knock him down, but boy, that was not the way I was expecting to do that. I wanted to fall that way, not this way. I almost smushed you guys. So, it's hung up at the top here, so I'm gonna see if I can knock it down with another tree. This time I'll stop being quite so lazy. I'll try using some wedges. Okay, but I'm gonna warm my hands up and cool my head. See if we can get one more tree down. Well, this battery is still going. Let's see. Probably almost dead. I shouldn't say that word.